The journey begins with the most important ingredient: natural latex. Latex is a milky white liquid harvested from rubber trees, scientifically known as Hevea brasiliensis. These trees are primarily grown in tropical regions such as Thailand, Malaysia, and Indonesia. Farmers carefully tap the rubber trees by making precise cuts in the bark. From these cuts, the latex slowly drips out, like milk, and is collected in containers. This liquid latex is the foundation of condom production, but raw latex cannot be used immediately. It must first be purified, stabilized, and processed. At processing facilities, the latex is filtered to remove impurities such as dirt, bark fragments, and unwanted particles. Then, special chemicals are added to stabilize the latex and prevent it from spoiling. The result is a smooth, consistent liquid latex ready for manufacturing. This latex is then transported in sealed containers to condom factories. Before production even begins, the latex undergoes strict laboratory testing. Technicians analyze the latex to ensure it meets exact standards for elasticity, strength, purity, viscosity, safety. Any batch that fails to meet these standards is immediately rejected. Now begins the most fascinating step: shaping the condom. Inside the factory, you'll find thousands of glass molds arranged in rows. These molds are shaped exactly like the final condom. They move slowly along a conveyor system. First, the glass molds are thoroughly cleaned using hot water and chemicals to remove any dust or contaminants. Clean molds are critical to ensure perfect quality. Once cleaned, the molds pass through a heating chamber. Heating helps the latex stick evenly to the mold surface. Then comes the dipping process. The molds are slowly dipped into large tanks filled with liquid latex. As the molds enter the latex, a thin layer of latex coats their surface. The thickness of the condom depends on the latex formula, the dipping speed, the temperature, the number of dips. Some condoms are dipped multiple times to achieve specific strength or thickness. After dipping, the molds rise out of the latex. At this stage, the condom is still liquid and fragile. Next, the coated molds move through long-drying ovens. Inside these ovens, hot air removes moisture from the latex. This process transforms the liquid latex into solid rubber. This stage is known as curing. Curing strengthens the latex and gives the condom its elasticity and durability. Without proper curing, the condom would easily break. This stage is carefully controlled using precise temperatures and timing.